Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I'll show you some of the gaming laptops which can be used as machine learning, deep learning or data science laptop, and the budget which I am covering in this video is from 50 to 55,000. There are many laptops in this price bracket, so I tried covering from various laptop brands and also various processor brands like Intel or AMD, and also I have covered only those laptops which are having a dedicated GPU. Almost all the laptops are having 1650, a GTX 1650. That is a good GPU which can be used in a gaming laptop, of course, and it will help you in your deep learning algorithms. So I think this video will be very informative for you, and also there are people who like laptops from a specific brand. So because of that I covered multiple brands, and they asked specifically for a budget laptop. So I know for some people even 50 or 55,000 will be quite costly, but the thing is if we go below this budget, it's hard to find any dedicated GPU in the laptop. So because of that I stick to the budget of 50 to 55,000, and yeah, that is the reason for this. But if you want some other laptops like in some other price bracket, like below 50,000 or above 55,000 or even more than that, you can always let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a video on that as well. And if you have any suggestions, and if I haven't covered that particular laptop in this video, and if you think it deserves to be in this list, you can surely let us know in the comment section so that others can be benefited from that. So now with that being said, let's move on to the laptops that I need to show you. But before moving further, I would like to request you to please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can be benefited from such videos, and we are growing this Programming Cradle family, so you can be a part of Programming Cradle family, and we can grow together. And yeah, so go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also please share it with your friends and colleagues so that they can benefit from this video. Now with that being said, let me show you the laptops. The first laptop on our list is Acer Aspire 7, and on the right hand side you can see the specifications of the laptop. This is the basic specification of the laptop. It has i5 9th gen, and it has 8 GB of RAM, and the storage is 512 GB SSD, and the GPU which it has is GTX 1650, and the capacity is 4 GB, and it costs you around 55,000 INR. So in my opinion, this should be the basic specification of any laptop if you are buying it for machine learning or deep learning or data science in general. So if you have this specification in your laptop, you are good to go. And this laptop is not very fancy looking. It has a simple look. If you like this kind of look, you can go for this laptop. It is very nice, and it has a full size number pad, so that is also a good thing. So I like that, and it has backlit keyboard, so if you are typing in dark, that will again help you. Now let's move on to the next laptop that we have on our list. This is the same laptop as the first one. The only difference is the processor. So this is the AMD version of Acer Aspire 7. So the processor is Ryzen 7 quad core 3750H, and as you can see, the all the other specifications are same, like RAM 8 GB, and storage is 512 GB SSD, and GPU is 4 GB GTX 1650, and yeah, the price is 1000 costlier than the previous one. So you can get this laptop for around 55,990 INR. In my opinion, I mean, there are two type of people who some people like Intel processors and some people like Ryzen or AMD processors. So if you are someone who likes Intel processor, you can go for the first one, and if you are someone who likes AMD processors, you can go for this laptop. And nowadays AMD is very competitive and they are making really good processor. The only thing is you need to keep in mind is AMD processors tend to get a little bit hotter as compared to Intel processors, but in terms of performance, AMD processors are a bit faster than Intel processors. So this is something which you can keep in mind. And now let's move on to the next laptop that we have on our list. The next laptop on our list is from ASUS, and the laptop is ASUS TUF. It is a AMD powered laptop, and the processor is Ryzen 5 quad core 3550H, and you get RAM 8GB, and the storage you will get here is 512GB SSD, and also the graphics card is same as before, so it is 4GB and GTX 1650. Also the screen here is a larger screen as compared to other two laptops, and this is the 17-inch laptop, and the price is 55,000. So if you are someone who is looking for a laptop with bigger screen, you can surely consider this laptop. And also it has a gaming laptop look, and so yeah, if you are looking for a fancy looking laptop, you can surely go for this laptop. But as it has a bigger screen, this will be on a little bit heavier side. So 2.7 kgs is not that heavy, but yeah, something you can see if it is heavy or light. It's obviously not light because 2.7 kg is still quite heavy, but if you are someone who doesn't mind carrying a heavy laptop, so obviously you can consider this laptop. Now let's move on to the next laptop. This laptop is again from ASUS, and the laptop is ASUS VivoBook. This is an Intel powered laptop, so the processor you get here is i5 8th gen, and yeah, this is the 8th gen processor, so it's quite old, and the RAM is 8GB, and storage you get here is 512GB SSD. So yeah, you will have faster read write speeds, and the GPU is same as before, 4GB GTX 1650, and the screen size is 15.6 inches, and the price of this laptop is 53,000. In my opinion, this laptop is nice, and as you can see, the weight is also less as compared to other laptops. And but the only problem here is it is older laptop, and again one plus point here is the refresh rate you get here is 120 Hz, so that is a good thing. If you are into gaming, you can surely consider this laptop, but also again I want to mention that this is a 8th gen processor, so if that is not a deal breaker for you, you can surely go for this laptop. Now let's move on to the next laptop. Now the next laptop here on our list is from Lenovo, and the laptop is Lenovo IdeaPad L340. So yeah, this is an Intel powered laptop with i5 9th gen processor, and the specification is almost same as other laptops, but one thing that you need to keep in mind here is it has 1 TB HDD, so it's not SSD, so read write speeds will be less as compared to SSD. And if that is something which you are very much keen on, so this might be a deal breaker for you, but if that is something which you can ignore, this is a very good laptop. I personally like Lenovo's keyboard, so that is again a plus point for this. And as you can see, it can tilt the screen completely horizontal or parallel to the keyboard. So if that is something which you are interested in, you can surely consider this laptop. And it has a nice very slim bezels on the sides, so again it looks very nice, and it doesn't have very fancy look. So I like that type of laptops, but also it changes based on the specification. I'm not very very much towards the looks of the laptop. I personally feel like the specification of the laptop is very good. For the price that I am paying, I will pick the laptop. I won't care much about the looks of the laptop. So yeah, it totally depends on person to person. So yeah, you can see if this laptop you want to take or not. So now let's move on to the next laptop. The last laptop on our list is MSI GL65 Leopard, and again this laptop is Intel powered, and the specification is almost same as other laptops which I mentioned before, and the price is also just under 55,000. And if you are someone who likes MSI laptops, you can surely consider this laptop in this price bracket. It is one of the best laptops in this price bracket, and I personally liked the screen of the laptop. As you can see, the bezels are very less, and also the keyboard is RGB. So if you are into RGB keyboard, you can surely consider this laptop. And it's not very fancy looking, and it's not very subtle also, so it is somewhere in the middle, so it can attract all kind of audience. So yeah, this is it for this laptop. So this is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and like I said in the beginning, if you have any specific laptop, you can let us know in the comment section so that others can be benefited. And if you are in doubt that should I buy that laptop or not, you can always ask in the comment section. I will try to suggest you what is better for you. And now that you have stayed for this long, please go and subscribe to the channel, and also you can download the data science notes, and you can join the Programming Cradle Telegram group where everybody is helping each other and growing together. And if you have any specific questions regarding data science, you can always ask in that group. People are always willing to help each other, and people are sharing their experiences about their interviews and overall job market. So if you join that group, you will be getting good amount of information from there as well. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and always happy learning. Bye.